What is up, guys? Brady with Mini Tech Clips, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So, top of the line phone for 2019. Just some crazy specs. I just got rid of my S9 Plus, and here we are with the S10 Plus. So, before I get any further, I'm just going to unbox it. So, I've already been playing around with it for a few minutes, so I have my stuff inside the phone, but nonetheless, here's the unboxing. So, you take off the cover, you have the phone, and then set that aside. You have your fast charging brick included in the box, Apple. You have an OTG adapter for all your USB accessories. You have your USB Type-C charging cable. And then you have your AKG earbuds, because this is the only phone to still have a headphone jack. And who's complaining? Not me. So, you got your AKG earbuds, which realistically I'll probably never use because I have true wireless or Bluetooth. And then, top of the box right here, you got your books and shit. SIM ejection tool. Never going to use that. Or look at that. So, that's everything you get in the box. Alright, so now we're on to the actual phone. So, to start off with, you have the fingerprint sensor built right into the display. Look at that. Are you kidding me? This is the future. Check this. Turn it off. Tap if you need to know where to put your finger. Fingerprint right in the display. Oh my god. And one thing they did get rid of from the S9 and the S9 Plus was the iris scanner, but let me tell you, the face scanner is really quick. So you double tap, I'm going to look at it. Is it recognizing my face behind the camera? Probably not. Yeah, fuck. It's not recognizing my face behind the camera. Let me try this again. Turn it off. Look at it. Bro, when I do the video, that's when it doesn't work. It's literally perfect. Alright, let's try this. Double tap. Look at it. Dude, I'm telling you, this camera is cursing me, bro. Now it works. So face recognition, dope feature. Is kind of fucking me over on the camera. So now next we have the cameras. Speaking about cameras, so I'm just going to open up Instagram and look at the hole punch in the top. What the frick, dude? That's the future, bro. 2 cameras in the front, 3 in the back. So on the back you have a normal camera, like your normal wide angle. Then you have the ultra wide angle, and then you have the telephoto lens. So watch, if I go to my camera, double pressing the power button. So right here, you can see this is the normal camera, right? There's some coasters over there. Here's a telephoto lens, zooms in. Here is the ultra wide. Are you kidding me, dude? That is just crazy. Like, that's insane. So 1.0, that's normal. Look at how far you can zoom out. You just get such a wide angle. I can take a picture of this whole table. I mean, it's just crazy. So I'll do that real quick. And look at it. Nice, crisp pictures. So, beautiful camera. You do have some new portrait mode features, which for Samsung is called live focus. So if we go over there, you can see we have, what is this one called? I don't know if they have names. This one's like zoom, color, okay, so this one's color point, zoom, spin, and just regular blur, if you can see that. So here's just an example of something I took. So I was at a restaurant with my friend, and I took this. So basically, he is the only object with color. Everything else is blurred in black and white. How dope is that, dude? That's just crazy. So for the specs on this phone, there's some more specs I didn't go over. 128 gigabytes of storage, 8 gigs of RAM, and 4,000 milliamp hour battery, along with a Snapdragon 855 processor. And the 3 cameras on the back, the telephoto lens and the regular wide angle are 12 megapixel, and the ultra wide angle, the one where you get, a huge array of view. I don't know what the word I'm looking for is, but that's 16 megapixels. And then on the front, you have a 12 megapixel wide angle, and then you also have so on the front, you have, they have Instagram mode too, which I think is dope. So you have the regular, then you also have the zoom, or I think it's a zoom out, it's a ultra wide. Nonetheless, you have a 12 megapixel and an 8 megapixel camera. And for the display, you have a 6.4 inch 1440p display, and the S10e has a 1080p. The S10 and S10 Plus have both 1440 AMOLED displays. And the Bixby button on the side, this is something that I really like. So, obviously nobody likes Bixby, right? I mean, you go to Bixby, it's the dumbest thing ever. So I have mine set where if I press it, boom, Google Chrome, boom, quick, right away. You can do that by going into Bixby, clicking on the 3 dots, tapping settings, going down to the Bixby key, and you want to click double press to open Bixby, meaning you have to double click the button to open Bixby, and only a single press to do what you want. So you can click run app, you can literally pick any app on your phone and it'll do it. I have mine set to Google Chrome. Boom. So one more thing before I go, I'm just going to show you the battery. So right now I'm at 90%. I woke up, I've been Snapchatting all morning, probably get rid of those. I've been Snapchatting all morning, and you know how Snapchat destroys your battery. So I've gone down exactly 10%. So I'm going to go into battery, and I have to see this for myself. I haven't even looked at this myself. Battery, let's go to battery usage and look at the screen on time. 57 minutes screen on time for 10% loss of battery. Basically Snapchatting all morning. It says used for 19 minutes, but I've been on it for longer. That's insane. What? Holy crap. At this rate, you could literally get 10 hours of screen on time. Dude, that's just incredible. This phone is just something else, man. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. There you go. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed. Drop a like and subscribe. Till next time, guys. Peace.